Hi, EMDR therapists. I'm Annie Monaco, and I'm excited that I am presenting at the 2025 EMDRIA Virtual Summit. I will be presenting on using EMDR to treat teens with attachment wounds and dissociation. And this is going to be on Friday, April 25th from 2:30 to 5 p.m. It's hard enough to provide therapy to teenagers, right? Especially teenagers who've had significant attachment wounds and who are acting out behaviorally and maybe not functioning at home or at school. And these teenagers might be lying or stealing, aggressive, sexually acting out, or just shutting down. These teenagers might also be using a lot of dissociative strategies, and as a therapist, it might feel impossible to do trauma work with this population. In my presentation of working with teens, I'll be focusing on dissociative self states and how to do parts of self-work with high-risk teens. I'm excited to share some interventions that have been successful in my work on engaging teens' protective parts, and even those parts of self that are hostile or aggressive. This workshop will provide me the opportunity to share some case examples of how I've gotten self states to work together and process traumatic memories. So I look forward to seeing you at the summit and hope you register soon.